Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a stir-fried cabbage and I'm using 1 head of cabbage, and this is how I cut my cabbage. I'm using a pound of ground pork, and my seasoning is going to be oyster sauce, black pepper, and some salt. So let's get started. Y'all know I love avocado oil, so this is what I'm using. I'm gonna put some oil in my pan and let that get hot. Once it gets hot, I will throw in my ground pork. And here is my ground pork. Gonna put it in here and gonna cook it down. So you just want to make sure you mix all the pork out, cook it all evenly. And here I am, I'm gonna put salt on my meat. It's like almost done, but not really. Y'all know me, I'm a little heavy-handed in my salt. And then here I'm also adding my black pepper. So I'm just stirring in all the salt and pepper together, and then once I do that, I'm gonna add in my cabbage. And once you add in your cabbage, you're just gonna add a little bit of water so that when you close the lid on it at the end, the moisture will help cook it down. So I had the lid on for about 15 minutes and it's been cooking, and it's wilted down to pretty much the way I kind of like it, depending on your own preference. If you guys like it soft or a little bit crunchy, it's all up to you. Just mixing everything. I do a lot of mixing when I cook. So I'm just gonna add my salt and my black pepper to taste. And I'm also adding red pepper flakes, depending on your liking. It's optional if you like it spicy or not. Just mix everything around. Then the final step that I'm going to do is add in the oyster sauce to your own preference. Then mix it all, make sure it's all incorporated together. And we should almost be done. So here I am, and I'm going to taste it to see if I need anything, and look at that. Nope, it is perfect, just the way I like it. Here is the finished product. I ate it over some white rice. So yummy. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.